Here's how you can trick your brain to stay awake when you're really tired during the day. If you find yourself tired during the day, your eyes are getting heavy and you're nodding off, kind of like what's happening to me right now. I had a long night of editing last night. Here's a simple trick to snap out of it in 10 to 15 seconds. I learned this from Dr. Andrew Huberman. He's a neuroscience professor, and it makes a lot of sense. So when you're tired, your eyes get heavy, they start to close, and your chin starts to tilt downward. You're essentially shutting down. But you could actually trick your brain into thinking that it's not time yet by sending the opposite signals. How do you do that? You do the opposite. Slightly tilt your chin up, not completely, just slightly, and then look upward to the sky. Hold that for 10 to 15 seconds. Keep staring at the ceiling, almost rolling your eyes back. What happens is it triggers areas in the brain that are involved in wakefulness. As Huberman says, eyes up is a route into increased alertness. Eyes down is a route into sleepiness. For those who work on laptops, if you position your screen downwards and you're kind of looking down towards the whole time, you'll feel a lot more tired as opposed to having your screen at eye level. So it's pretty simple. Just look up and you'll feel more awake. It's silly, I know, but it works in a lot of cases when you're just sitting here working. If you're completely exhausted, it probably won't work. Getting up, going outside, getting a breath of fresh air, exposing yourself to the sun, I find that works better, but if you need a quick hack, I definitely recommend trying it out.